Treasure Beach FC picked up maximum points in their first game in the Jamaica Premier League following its resumption after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant FA returned to winning ways with an emphatic victory in their game on Sunday. Christopher Scott tells us more.
It was always going to be difficult for Treasure Beach after Hurricane Melissa ravaged through St. Elizabeth. However, they have something to smile about as they march their return to the Jamaica Premier League with a 2-0 victory over the high-flying Portmore United at Stets on Sunday. Johnny Flemings put them in front in the 62nd minute, with Kevon McGregor adding the second in second half stoppage time.
Words can't explain. The team has been doing well. It has been hard for us, very, very hard in terms of our financial situation and we just getting back together after the hurricane. But nevertheless, the boys have to just give caps off to the boys because they really went out there and they executed well.
Meanwhile, Racing United have jumped to the summit of the league after playing out a 0-0 draw with Harbourview at Ferdinand Park. Racing moved to 26 points, the same as Montego Bay United, but the Portmore-based team have a better goal difference.
It's about giving people opportunities, and if them don't take grasp opportunity at both hands, then they have to sit and watch. So definitely, as of next week, we'll see some new faces in. The schoolboy them will be in, so definitely people have to watch and watch, sit and watch them.
Coach of Mount Pleasant FA Theodore Whitmore says he's glad to be back on the right side of a result after the St. Anne-based team blanked Spanish Town Police 5-0. The CONCACAF Caribbean Cup champions remain fourth on 19 points, while Spanish Town Police continue to hold up the 14-team league on 5 points.
We were playing into their hands at time in terms of not getting people to run in behind. We created that in the second half and we made it difficult for the opponent and put some goals in the back of the net.
In other games on the day, Montego Bay's woes continue with a 1-0 loss to Waterhouse at Giant Park. Defending champions Cavalier enjoyed a 3-0 win against the Chapelton Maroons, while Dunby Holding clipped Tivoli Gardens 1-0. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.